going on, guys? Here's a new video for you guys. I got a new soundbar for the Razer. It's the Infinity Kappa 4100 MSB, and it's Bluetooth powered. It has its own little remote, and yeah, let's open this up and see what's in this bad boy. If I could open up my knife. Yes. Okay, comes with the, looks like an instruction manual, and I'm guessing this is the remote. Right on. Let's see. I'm guessing this is my hard. Oh no. Looks like it's the wiring harness and some hardware actually. Yes, there's some bolts. The plate on the back for the speaker. Some sort of bracket. Looks like some wires. More hardware. Wiring harness itself. Looks like it came with also with its own tools, or Allen wrenches. So yeah, let me bust up the box, and so you guys can see check out the speakers. So these are the speakers themselves. It's two 19-inch speakers, and you could either put them separately and just fish or run your wire. This back wire has to connect with this wire in order for this one to work as well, because this one's obviously connected to all the power. But it also comes with this, which screws onto that, and that makes the sound bar, both bars actually connect to each other. So let's do that. Screw that in. So yeah, then you put this together. And I'll put this in the back. It has the same hole to be threaded in as well. Let me see if I can set this up some sort of way. You just spin it until you hit, which is going to be most likely there. And that's the soundbar itself. And that metal plate that I had earlier, which is this back plate, actually will end up coming back here once I have it set and ready to go. And these four little screws will hold, that plate will hold it all together and would stop it from shifting or moving around, and the, you know, one speaker pointing up or whatever the case is, but, or like that. So it'll be nice and even. So yeah, let me get that going. Hey guys, before putting this plate on, to hold the speakers up in place, you obviously first have to connect these together, so it could transfer the sound and power to this speaker as well. And it has one way in entering only, so if you don't get it right, it's because you're not positioning this little, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a little pin. Let's see if it'll focus. Like a little indentation. Well, you can see it better on this one. But this one has to match up with that, and then you thread it on. So let's see. And there it goes, and you just thread it on. Finger tight. And that's it. And you tuck it back underneath there. And that's when your plate will kick into place and you throw that back. Just finished installing that back plate, and it just takes 4 Allen key screws, and it has a little hole where your wiring could come out. And all I used was the Allen key, this little Allen key, and the screws it came with. And now we're gonna want to, well, I want to mount my soundbar right here. And the reason I like this soundbar is because you could either set it so it could fit low here, but I want it up high here, so I mean the seats won't block the sound, and you could hear a lot more up here. And this one you could set it where you could put it below, or it has the same positioning over here on this back on the bottom side. And then these came with the brackets that you just slide in there. Oops, you get it right. And wherever you want it, make sure you match up. Say you want it at 10, 9, whatever. And then this right here, just tying that up, tying this to the position where you want it, and you do the same thing on this side. So then we get started on mounting this soundbar, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, just finished putting the brackets on. It wasn't very hard, pretty easy. But these do only thread one way, so from the bottom up, or if you're doing that the opposite way, it'll be from the top down. But they only thread onto this. And then these things, where you lock them in place, have little holes so you could stick the little Allen wrench that it came with and tying it nice and tight so this won't move at all. But now it's snug, and it does come with little plastic, rubbery inserts inside of the bracket itself, so it won't squeak, it won't vibrate, it won't do nothing like that. So yeah, now let's get to wiring it. And once I'm done wiring, I'll show you the end product. So, all right, guys, just finished wiring it, and now it's time to turn on the switch. See if it turns on, which it did. I guess it's on a standby mode. She's on. She does have a dome light as well, which is in the bottom. You turn it on. And these are the buttons, so you could turn it on all lights off, which is that one, auto, which turns on those lights, and the bottom dome lights. Or you could just have these lights from the speakers itself. But yeah, just turn on some music and see how she sounds. I already have it connected to my iPad here, so let's see. I'll have the volume up, as you can see. control the speaker if you're far away and just want to be with your buddies, whatever you're doing, and have control with it. Just take off the little controller, pause it, play it, change the songs, volume up. And these lights light up with the beat of the music. So if it's a high pitch, it gets louder and louder and louder, it goes with it. But other than that, she sounds really good. She's really loud. I don't know if you guys can catch how loud it is from the video, but she is really loud. And then one thing I forgot to mention was that this speaker actually comes with a GoPro mount right here. So watch. Here's my GoPro. But I would have to buy a different mount or case for it where it's right side up, but it connects right there. And you have your GoPro set up right there. But if I were to flip the speaker over and have it down here, which I don't, well, it might fit, I guess, but it'll be behind the speakers. This will be right side up, but I think it's fine there. I did already take it for a ride and took it through some whoops and everything, and this thing did not get loose, nothing budged, nothing broke. And I'll put the video right now where I jumped it, and it held up pretty good actually. And I also, I don't know if you guys seen this, but I also put my extra belt holder, well, the CVT belt, just in case if my original one breaks, I have an extra spare one ready to go. But that's it for the speaker, guys, and I'll put a link in the description down below so you guys could check it out if you guys are interested in one of these Infinity soundbars. It's really good soundbar, good quality soundbar, and it sounds pretty good, and it's really loud. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and catch you in the next one.